How to delete Credit Karma tax account. So for this, you have to open a browser and then search for your creditkarma.com. You can even search for Credit Karma account login. Then you will be redirected to their official web page. Firstly, you have to log into your account, so go ahead and tap on this login bubble, enter your email address and password to log into your account. Now once you are logged in, at the very top you will see the option of account setting. From there, you have to scroll until you see the option of delete. Now you can just go ahead and tap on the delete option. It will ask you for the description or the reason for your deletion. You simply have to provide with it. Also know that when you delete your account, you'll be removing the history of your tax payment and statement as well. Now if you still want to delete your account, the next step is that it will provide you with a verification code or a link in your email address. You simply have to copy the code or tap on the link. Then once you are verified that it is really you, on the fourth step it will ask you for your social security number for confirmation. Then you can just go ahead and delete your account permanently, and yes, it is not reversible. Now once you do this, if you are any more confused about this, you can check out the Credit Karma Help Center, search for account deletion articles and similarly give it a read throughout the process. At the bottom, you will see the option of chat with us where you can talk with a live agent and it will walk you through the process as well. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.